Okay guys, it's very windy, but we pulled this bike out from a 5-year no run drought, and it's the original motor. I believe it's a 90cc. I know it says it somewhere right there, but sorry for the wind. But I worked on the brakes, worked on the carburetor, changed the oil, put fresh gas. We're gonna give this sucker a little rip. The cord does work, the throttle does. I would have recorded all of it, but I didn't want to bore anybody. Oiled the chain, just some simple stuff. Aired the tires, like I still got air. So we're gonna give it a test run right now and see how it goes. So I haven't cleaned her up, but that's her running. Take her for a test drive. All right, test driver, and it's not washed, but it's on the way. The only other thing I may mess with is this pull rope. Well, let's crank it. Oh wait. All right. Go ahead and get on it. Let's just go a little. It's right here. The handle. No, there's no backwards. Oh yeah, you pull it to you. Slow. There you go. Oh, you think that was funny? Look. Oh, I hope they don't crash. Is that funny? Let's go ride your bike down there. Come on. Let's go ride your bike. All right, go all the way. There you go, partner. I would get on it, but it's a 90cc. And it showed 160 pounds, and I'm a little above that, so it probably wouldn't even go 5 miles for me. Come on, big boy. But let's go up there and see what the problem is. It probably won't even go with me. Let me try. I'm probably like 50 pounds over the... Yeah, it's barely going. Woo! Oh, I need to air it up. I'm scared to rip on it. Try going uphill. Try going uphill. Just go like to the edge of that, about 50 yards. It works. I know she probably ain't even going half throttle. But what did that thing say? It goes about 25 miles an hour with the 100-pound person. All right, let's go check it out. Well, there you go. I gave it about a half throttle and it didn't even go but walking speed. Don't want to burn the motor up. All right, here we go. Brake. The brakes work? Okay, good. Try just like the right here where Bo's at. All right, folks, I spent about an hour just messing with it, and sucker runs pretty good. Do need to air up the tire. I thought I aired it up last week when I got the bike, and it was rainy and cold, and I finally got to finish the doing the brake, resetting the caliper this morning. But hopefully we can have fun on that. Maybe we'll have to look for a go-kart now. Yeah. Bo, what you think about a go-kart or that? Yeah? You like it? Maybe? Bo don't know. Alright guys. Thanks for watching. Woo! Alright. Oh, you think that was funny? Look. Oh, I hope they don't crash.